हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम स्टडी करेंगे टॉपिक बेंथम एंड हुकर क्लासिफिकेशन एंड इट्स मेरिट एंड डीमेरिट्स. Bentham and Hooker's classification. It is a natural system of classification and is based on important characters of the plant. Even today this system is being followed in India, United Kingdoms and several other Commonwealth countries. It is also used in a number of herbarium and botanical gardens all over the world. It is a well-known and widely accepted classification of seeded plants. It was proposed by two botanists, George Bentham (1800 to 1884) and Sir Joseph Dutton Hooker (1817 to 1911). Their system of classification was published in Genera Plantarum in these volumes, and they had described 97,205 species of seeded plants in 202 orders, now referred to as family. The seeds plants are divided into three classes: dicotyledone, जिम्नोस्पर्मी, मोनोकोटिलिडनी. फर्स्ट एक एक करके हम इन तीनों क्लासेस को स्टडी करेंगे, इनकी सब क्लासेस को, सीरीज को. आज हम इन सब को स्टडी करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट है क्लास डाइकोटिलिडनी. सीड्स ऑफ डाइकोटिलिडनीज प्लांट्स कंटेन टू कोटिलिडन्स. Leaves show reticulate venation. Flowers are tetramerous or pentamerous, having 4 or 5 members in various floral whorls respectively. It includes 3 subclass: Polypetalae, Gamopetalae and Monoclamidae. Subclass Polypetalae. Plants having flowers with free petals come under Polypetalae. The flowers are with distinct calyx and corolla. It is further divided into 3 series: Thalamiflorae, Disciflorae and Calciflorae. First series of Polypetalae, subclass Thalamiflorae. It includes plants having flowers with dumb and conical thalamus. Ovary is superior. Thalamiflorae includes 6 orders and 34 families. The family Malvaceae is placed in the order Malvaceae. Second series of subclass Polypetalae, Disciflorae. It includes flowers having prominent disc-shaped thalamus below the ovary. Ovary is superior. Disciflorae is divided into 4 orders and 23 families. Next, third series of subclass Polypetalae, series Calciflorae. It includes plants having flowers with cup-shaped thalamus. Ovary is superior or inferior, sometimes half inferior. Calciflorae includes 5 orders and 27 families. The family Fabaceae is placed in the order Rosales. Subclass Gamopetalae. Subclass Gamopetalae. Plants having flowers with petals which are either partially or completely fused to one another are placed under Gametopetalae. Series first inferior of subclass second Gamopetalae. The flowers are epigynous and ovary is inferior. Inferior includes 3 orders and 9 families. The family Rovaceae is placed in the order Rovales and Asteraceae in Astrales. Series second heteromere. The flowers are hypogynous and ovary is superior with more than 2 carpels. Heteromere includes 3 orders and 12 families. Third series bicarpellate. The flowers are hypogynous and ovary is superior with 2 carpels only. Bicarpellate include 4 orders and 24 families. The family Solanaceae is placed in the order Polyneales. Subclass third Monoclamidae. Plants having flowers with single whorl of perianth and placed under Monoclamidae. Flowers are incomplete. The sepals and petals are distinguished and they are called perianth. Class second Gymnospermae. The members of this class have naked ovules or seeds. Ovary is absent and Gymnospermae includes 3 families: Ganaceae, Coniferae and Cycadaceae. Third class Monocotyledone. Seeds of monocotyledonous plants contain only one cotyledon. Leaves show parallel venation. Flowers are trimerous, having 3 members in various floral whorls. The Monocotyledonous has 7 series and 34 families. The family Musaceae is placed in the series Epigenae and Eraceae in Classinae. Merits of Bentham and Hooker's classification of plants. Bentham and Hooker's classification is the most natural system based on actual examination of specimens. The description of the plants is quite accurate and reliable. Although this system is natural, most of the aspects of this system show affinity to modern concepts of evolution. The placement of monocotyledone after the dicotyledone also appears to be in accordance with the evolutionary trends. Demerits of Bentham and Hooker's classification of plants. The placement of Gymnospermae in between dicotyledone and monocotyledone is an error. Several important floral characters have been neglected in this system. In this system, some closely related families have been separated and placed under different groups. For example, all the families of series. Advanced family Orchidaceae has been considered as primitive among monocotyledons and it is placed in the beginning of the system. So friends, आज का हमारा ये टॉपिक बेंथम एंड हुकर क्लासिफिकेशन एंड इट्स मेरिट्स एंड डीमेरिट्स टॉपिक यहीं फिनिश होता है. सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू वॉचिंग माय दिस वीडियो.